Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in little Hickville, USA, Belfair, Washington. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is March 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 21. Welcome to my channel, everybody. And yes, I feel much better today. I am happy. I've been up. I've been busy. I've been go, go, go. This is me normally. Yesterday was just an off day. And no matter what I did, I just felt so drained. But today I don't feel drained. I am get up and go from the very beginning. So I am so happy. So welcome to my channel. Just had to let you know that little update. Yes, I am back to being my chipper self. I don't know what it was. I really must think that I must not have got a really good deep sleep or something. I don't know what it was, but it's gone and I'm glad because I mean, I wasn't sick. I don't know what it was that just was so like drained yesterday. Oh, anyways, so this kit is called Daydream. You could have made 3 of each of these cards and they each had their own envelope design, which was fabulous to make it very much more interesting this month. This QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it was designed. This is also a visual of everything that comes in the kit except for the extra stamp set. Down here it lists the coordinating colors. Over here, this one would lead you to how to purchase the set of 5 dies called Spring is in the Air, and these coordinate with January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin Kit. The new set of dies, of course, is out and available to purchase only if you are a subscriber. They are called Hugs of Blooms, and I have used them for this kit because you can use them for anything, just not with the Paper Pumpkin kits. You can keep them and use them for other things. I do. I personally do. So this is the stamp set that is in the visual. So Thank you for always being there for me. Enjoy your special day. This honeycomb, the wings, wishing you brighter days ahead. Thank you. The little bee body, sweetest birthday wishes. We are going to be using this one. And enjoy your special day. This little bumblebee. No bees on this one. This big honeycomb, the flower, hello and happy birthday. And this is going to be a birthday card, and we are going to be using that happy birthday. We're also going to be using 4, yes, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So we are going to use hello, congrats, happy birthday, and lots of love all on the front of this card. Yeah, we are. So it's going to be really simple too. And I'm going to bring in gray granite, and I want to show you why is because you see that little color on those leaves of the daisies. They kind of have a grayness to them. Smoky slate was not the color, but gray granite is the closest. And it does not list this as a color, but that was pretty close. And I already tested it over here. There's a hello right there. So we're going to go with it. So let me show you what I have here. I have some gold bling just in case, but I pulled out these pink that my Aunt Carol gave me. Those are just set aside because I think we're going to change the yellow in the center of the daisies to pink, to these pink ones. And I have extra pink bling as well. Those we're just going to set aside. So what we have is a pink, actually blushing bride. Card base. This is one of those that are pre-made, and these were an add-on a long time ago, and I have extras. I actually have 2 or 3 of these, I think, left, and I'm just going to get them used up where and when I can. So you could do pink, you could do any color. You could do blue, pink, purple, anything behind this mixed with the daisies, and it's all going to go great. Green would go great. Any color would work for this. So card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I will tell you, if you are doing a white card base and you want to do this, I would go ahead and cut a layer of colored cardstock to 4 by 5 1/4. That is just a standard first layer. And leave that little white edge around it if you're doing a white card base. If you're doing a colored card base, because this is both front and back, I would not do an extra layer, just do the colored card base. But if you wanted to do a white card base and then a piece you know, a layer number 1, I would cut that layer number 1 to 4 by 5 1/4, because you're still going to get the same effect. Then we have 4 matching sentiment strips. I haven't been using the sentiment strips because I've been using that wonderful hybrid embossing folder pieces that, you know, Michelle did all the die cutting for me of them. And then Lori sent me the actual hybrid embossing folder. And I've been using those so much, I haven't really got to use these. So I took 4 that were matching, and we're going to use all 4 of them on the front of this card. So 4 matching sentiment strips, or just cut some sentiment strips, you know, do a little banner or a little edge punch on some of them to do it. And I have 4 different daisies. So let me show you, or 3 different ones. I have a large one. I have these 2, which are the same daisy, I do believe. Yes. So 2 of those half daisies and 1 little wee daisy. So a full daisy, 2 halves, and 1 small one. And I think that's my last small one, if I'm not mistaken. Or I might have 1 more left in there. So anyways, that's all. This is not going to take any time at all to do. That needs to go away. So first things first is we're going to stamp, because I already have dimensionals on the backs of those. And I want to, I have never used congrats, so this needs to have the smushy smushy done. And the inside one, sweetest birthday wishes, I'm not sure if I've used it, but so I want to go ahead and do the smushy smushy dance with these stamps. So I'm going to get that old piece I retired to do the smushy smushy dance with. That did really well, but let's just make sure it's really good. There's that one. And these 2, I just combined them together, because these are going on the inside. There we go. I can always retrieve that later on. So let's go ahead and stamp the inside. We won't be using that again. Bring that down here. I wish it had a daisy stamp, but all we have is the bee, and I'm not doing any bees on this card. There we go. Clean, simple, easy going there. And then we need all of these. So that one, this one, this one. First one we're going to do is hello, and hello is going to be in the center. So let's, hopefully this is still, yes, I'm like trying to think of where the daisy is on this one. This one starts there. So the daisy is going to be, trying to remember where my daisy is. Okay, so this one's going to be right about here. We'll do kind of like in the center. There's one. Hello, and then the next one is going to be the congrats. That's also going to be center-ish. The S didn't look like it had enough ink on it to me. Gorgeous. Next, lots of love. Now this is going to take up the full space. And then happy birthday is going to be on this one. And they're going to go like this. And this one. So my flower, there's going to be a flower, flower, flower. No, flower, 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 flower. I don't know. We're going to work it out. This is going to be in the center. I'll work it out again. I had it before I took it all off the card. Now I'm going to have to figure it out again. Anyways, we're going to have all 4 of them on this card. No worries. They're all going on this. Hello, congrats, lots of love, and happy birthday. That's what Frosty the Snowman says when he comes to life. Christmas trivia. I'll never forget it. Christmas trivia. Happy birthday. I don't think I'm letting anybody else forget that one either. So, let's see. Let's take a block, maybe, and just help hold that down a bit. So, hello. Congrats. Lots of love. And happy birthday. I'm going to scoot those up some. Like so. Get them spaced out where I want them. I mean, this is really going to take no time, nothing at all. So I think this one goes here. This one goes there. The large one goes there. That's how it goes. Look at that. How lovely is that? Right? This one actually comes up a little bit more. There we go. That's all. That's all there is to it. Yes. Okay. Let's glue it down. I mean, very simple card. And you don't have to use your sentiment strips. You can make your own. Any little sentiment die would work for this. So all I have to do is take this off, pop my daisy down. I want to do the top one now. That looks about right. And the wee little daisy. Congrats and love. Wanted to do something just a little different. And this, guys, is what I came up with. I'm holding my finger down there, so I know that's the line where this is going to set on. I thought that looked kind of nice. And it's very simple. This is something everybody and anybody could do with this set. Simple, right? Maybe you got a refill kit and you wanted to do something simple and different. And I thought this is that card, right? Little pop of pink in there. Now, of course, for me, look at this. We're going to change our daisies, and I really am going to do them. I'm going to make them pink. Yes, the yellow is gorgeous, but I just, why? Because I can. Because I can, and I want to. I mean, of course, you know, not everybody is going to want to, but I just can't help it. I was like, you know, I did the yellow ones, the orangey yellow ones on the bookmark card in Bookmark. Look how cute that is. This one needs to come over just a bit. And it just gives it a total different look. Right? They're purpley pink. I love it. And then I can go here. Do I want to go more? Yes, I'm going to go there. there we go. Except that one's not right. There. Do I want to put that there? No, that's too close to the other one. That one's too close, so maybe we leave that one off. But anyways, that's how I changed it up. I mean, if you don't like these are so easy to take off. Let's see what they look like without. Maybe I will leave these off and keep the yellow. Okay, I'm kind of liking the yellow. I'm telling you, sometimes you never know what you're gonna do. Glad I didn't push them all the way down, just pop them down. Let me see. Okay, I kind of like the yellow, but I like the pink as well. There's 4 and there's 4, and I am not going to change that. I'm going to leave the pink. Now I've got to pop these down. Oh, they can, I'll stay right there. Hopefully I can use them on something else. Maybe I'll open it up. Put these on the inside. Nope, I don't like them there either. Do not like those there. But now I like the yellow of just the daisy. And I lost the Winka Stella. Come on. I put it in the container. Okay, the yellow is gonna stay, but I like the pink little dots on there. Well, that's my card. Quick, simple. Oh, we can stamp. We can stamp on this. There's one little stamp that says happy birthday. Where's the gray? The gray granite. I'm going to stamp the envelope. See, if there was a daisy, I would stamp the daisy on here, but there's not, and I'm not doing bees on this one. Not this one. Not that I don't love the bees, because I love the big old bumble. I do love that darn big bumblebee. It's just so, it's happy. It's not a menacing bee. It's this fuzzy wuzzy bee. It's like you want to cuddle with it. But you know, if you cuddle a bee, you're going to get stung. They made it into a stuffy. I'd buy a stuffy of that big old bee. I just would. So there you go. Happy birthday. Hello, congrats, lots of love. Happy birthday. And it is a beautiful little, sweetest birthday wishes. Enjoy your special day. Simple. I know it's easy, so I hope you all like this one. Like I said, maybe you guys got a refill kit. I do not do refill kits, but maybe one of you all out there did, and this is something you might consider making with yours. So I appreciate your insights. I love your guys' comments. I absolutely thrive on them. They encourage me and inspire me to keep going and keep creating cards and sharing with you. Thank you all so much, and I hope that you come back here and visit me in my wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.